Hi there, students. Connotation. Connotation is a noun, and from it we get a verb to connote, although the verb is probably less common. A connotation is an idea or a meaning that we associate with a word, a phrase, or a thing. But connotations particularly we use about words. So these are the associations we make when we hear a word. This is what the word suggests without directly saying it. So, for example, if I said the word pint, to me this has connotations of going to the pub, although a pint is just a volume of liquid. If I said rain, then I have connotations of umbrellas and wet feet and things like that. Or the word azure, it means blue, but azure, I think of a blue sky or a blue ocean. Yeah? So the connotations that words have are very important, yeah? Because you say a word and it has a meaning, but it's linked to other meanings as well. So connotations can be positive or negative. For example, my glass is half full or my glass is half empty. One has positive connotations, the other has negative connotations. You don't understand me. I didn't explain myself properly. The meaning is the same, but the connotations are very different. It's your fault or it's my fault. Take the words thin and slim. Well, thin can either be neutral, positive, or negative. He looks very thin. I think he's ill. Whereas the word slim says has lost weight and the figure looks perfect and is not fat. I recently made videos about the words frivolous and terse. Both of these words have negative connotations. Yeah? They're not positive. They imply criticism from the speaker, but neither of them in themselves are critical. He's really strong-willed. He's really pig-headed. Both of these mean stubborn, but strong-willed is positive. He holds on and won't change his mind until he gets what he wants because it's right. Pig-headed, the connotations, the implications are that he won't change his mind even though he's wrong. So, negative and positive connotations. So, to connote, to give links to cultural or emotional associations. A secondary idea, yeah? So I made a video saying about denote. To denote means to show directly. To connote means to imply but not say directly. Say between the lines. So with British people when they speak, you need to listen carefully to the connotations of what they're saying. You need to hear what their words connote, what they're saying between the lines without directly saying it. So, connotations, the links that we make with things. They're not directly the meaning of the word or the meaning of the object, but these are things that we link with it. Okay? So, connotations, to connote, to link with, to imply, to associate with. Yeah? It's associating one thing with another. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Ooh, I didn't say. Formality. So to connote, I think, is really quite a formal verb, and I'd probably give it a 7 in formality. Connotation, probably a 6.5. Okay, I don't think I would use either of these words in an informal conversation. In an informal conversation, conjures up the idea, gives the idea that. But in a semi-formal and formal framework, these two words sound great. Okay, and connotation comes from Latin, con, with, and notation, notare, to note, to notice. So, if you enjoyed the video, that's the right time. The connotation with this phrase is the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Connote.